Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. I know I put up a post saying that I was gonna post last Wednesday and Thursday, but just time caught up with me. I mentioned that I've been pulled in so many different directions. Unfortunately, I've had a couple of not so great things happen lately. I can't even say happen to me because it didn't happen to me, but unfortunately I lost my uncle 2 weeks ago. And then literally it's just been crazy. And you know, if you guys watch my channel, you know I lost my cousin a couple of months before this. And then as I'm literally packing to leave to go to my uncle's funeral, Lance gets a message that his uncle passed away. I'm like, what is going on in the world? And then on top of all that, when I got back, I don't know how, but I somehow hurt my knee, so I had to go to the hospital. Well, first of all, it sounds so dramatic, the hospital, but I had to go to the doctor's office, like the urgent care, you know, the one that's open at night, and get like a knee brace. And I couldn't walk for like a day. Like I physically could not walk on both of my legs. I literally had to hop before I got the knee brace. So yeah, just a lot has happened in the past week and a half, but things have calmed down more. And why is my computer in frame? But no, so I'm back. For now, I am not in the emotional shambles that I was in. So we're not Gucci, but we're almost back there. So funny thing is, this video that I'm filming today was actually not my idea. It was Lance's idea. When he was packing to go up north to his uncle's funeral, he was, I don't want to say stealing, but stealing my items. And I was like, what are you doing? So he was like, oh, no, this is the stuff I use. And he was like, oh, matter of fact, you should do a video on it, you know, because this stuff is like unisex, like men and women can use it. And I'm like, well, duh, it's hair stuff. Like, why couldn't men use this? And then I thought back to the meme. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's like not even a meme. I think it's like a video. It was like, oh, here's some stuff for dry skin, but for men, it's in dark.
How about you like some Palmer's cocoa butter? Let's get some for men in the darker color, because men like darker color. Get some Vaseline lotion? How about we get some for men in a darker color, because men don't like green.
So like they market it like as though lotion and hair products, like it's different for men, like, you know. So I thought it was funny that he was like, oh, this is unisex. I'm like, why would it not be? Like, of course you could use the same shampoo I use, you know. So anyways, I'm filming this video per his request. He was like, oh no, this can like really help some people out, you know, if their boyfriends want to know which of their products to use, like, you know, which is the good ones to use. So I was like, okay girl. So yeah, here we are. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, so the first item that he wanted to make sure I mention is 2 items, and it is shampoo and conditioner, and it's the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair shampoo and conditioner. If you want to see a review on this, I actually filmed a review of this entire line of everything. So I will link it below if you do want to see me review this, but he says this is his holy grail stuff. He absolutely loves it. This is a new pack. He has gone through the other 2 bottles that I had. Like, he starts to use my stuff. What are you doing, Babash? Hello? Oh, okay. Don't say anything back. But he goes through quite a few of my products faster than I do, and I'm not gonna say I have a problem sharing. I'm just saying, you know, when you go to reach for something and it's not there, the fuck. So yeah, so he says he absolutely loves it. So he said he starts out with the shampoo, obviously, then he rinses it out, and then while he's like washing his face and washing his body, he'll just leave like this conditioner sitting in there. So he says once he's done with that, then he'll rinse it out, and then he'll get out the shower, and that is when the styling process starts. So he says he first, let me make sure I got this in the right order. Okay, because he told me sometimes the order changes, depends on his mood, right? And by the way, I would say, I would kind of classify Lance's hair as, his hair is definitely like more coily than mine is. He has like tighter curls. So maybe for a child, I don't know. I'm not really good with these hair typing charts. But he says he alternates. He either goes in with this first, or he'll go in with this first. So he says these can be interchanged. So this will be first and this will be second, or this will be first and this will be second. And this is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. You guys know I've mentioned this a million times. This is the Shea Moisture product that introduced me to the brand, so I've been using this forever. Just in my camera, dude? Sure. What right now I'm about to have is a full party going on in the background of my video. Oh, you are an adorable angel. Thank you so much. Why are you so cute? Seriously, I cannot. Can we just for a second? Because I can't. I literally cannot. Do you see that? Oh, doesn't want to be on camera. Oh, right. That wasn't awkward at all. So yeah, like I was saying, I love the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I don't think I've ever filmed a review on this one, but I feel like I talk about it all the time. I love how thick it is. For a while, I kind of stopped using it because I was using so many other products, but you know, she's back and better than ever. And well, I mean, it hasn't changed to my knowledge, so she's back and the same as she's always been, I guess. But yeah, so he says he will use that, and then he will go in with this Shea Terra Shea Butter Oil. And I also did a full review on this. This is one that is the skin and hair oil. They say that this is for incredibly soft and supple skin, and it conditions and softens hair, and he uses this for his hair and as well as his beard. He wanted to make sure to mention that he uses this for his beard. And Lance is one of those people who he has probably been able to grow facial hair, and I mean like a full face of hair, since he was like 17. Like, he has been Wolfman pretty much almost since I've known him. So if anybody knows about beards, it is him. It is very full, thick, luscious. He has a beard that, you know, some people would envy him. I'm gonna be honest, I gotta give him credit on that. So yeah, but this one, he says he loves it. He likes the smell of it. As I mentioned in the review video, it's like a very natural, like herbal-esque smell, but with a hint of like some cologne, like a musk or something like that. It smells really good. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, just so I don't confuse you, this can be first or this can be first in his hair routine. Just depends on the day. Kind of like a LOC, or, well, I don't know what his method. Oh, also, we're back to my camera playing me and stopping recording in the middle of me saying stuff. So, you know, whatever. We're just rolling with the punches. So yeah, I'm not sure what you would call this method that he does, but this is what he does. So this one or this one. How many times I'm gonna say it? I think that's gonna be the last one. And then lastly, he goes in with the Shea. I think he has a thing for Shea Moisture. The Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Heatless Curl Stretch Gel. I also have a review on this as well. If I'm not mistaken, I think I was wearing this sweater in the review of this. Was it this video? I want to say I was. I think I was. Anyways, I'll link the video below for you guys. And he said this is always the item that he uses last. I didn't think that this had amazing hold. I remember it in the video. I ended up using like another, like, custard, I think, on top of it or something like that. But I remember thinking the hold wasn't amazing. It didn't feel like it would give me a lot of hold, but he says it gives him great hold. He loves it, and his curls been looking luscious lately. So, you know, whatever he's telling me he's using, this is what I'm going with. So he says he uses this last, and I should have mentioned, when after he puts the two of these in, he then like picks his hair to like get it all and his hair isn't that long. It's like faded on the side, and he's got like maybe like that much hair, like, you know, at the top, so it's a fade. And so he says he picks his hair, and then he'll go ahead, put this in, kind of massage it through, and then he goes in with, like every black guy of life has this who doesn't have a Caesar cut. Like if they have curls, they're using the sponge, and you can pretty much get these like anywhere, beauty supply store, you know, wherever. So then he goes in with that. So you know, a pretty consistent routine that he has. I feel like it's straightforward and straight to the point, not too all over the place. So like I said, this wasn't my idea to film this video, it was his. So I thought, you know, maybe this would be helpful for you guys. Maybe some guys actually think that they can't use women's shampoo, which, like, what makes this a woman's shampoo? Like, I don't know. You know, and conditioner. So I was like, you know, why not film this? I have to give him credit. I was like, I guess some people could think that, because, you know, like I said, they have whole products that they're exact same as their female counterparts. They're just in darker packaging. Like, y'all, do y'all know what meme I'm talking about? I don't know. I'll try to find. Yeah, so anyway, that was it for the hair products. He did want to mention one body product that he is obsessed with, and I was obsessed with it when I first reviewed it, and it is the Nubian Heritage Indian Hemp and Haitian Vetiver Body Wash. It's down here if you can't tell, and I literally probably only used it like 5 or 6 times. Like, he slaughtered through my product, like completely slaughtered through. He was like, yo, no, it's like a real light smell, you know, it's he was like, it's not like overwhelming, it's not too fruity or whatever. So I also am obsessed with this. It smells very, gosh, it smells like what? I still can't, it's almost like a lemongrass, if you will. But I don't know, I'm not good with like notes of perfumes and scents and all that, but it smells amazing. It's a very light, airy, pleasant smell, and he, Lord Jesus, and he loves this stuff. So I wanted to mention it to you guys as well. But yeah, so anyways, I wanted to keep it straight and to the point. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Like I said, if you have a significant other who for some reason thinks that they can't use the hair products that you have, or if you have a sibling or something like that, y'all can use the same hair products. You might not want them to, but you know, it's an option, and it works wonders. Because you know, I feel like before I got a hold of his hair, it was tragic. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. And I'm sorry this video is going up so late today, but that is it, and I'll see you next video. Bye guys.